5. Laser weapons are coming. Slowly. The U.S. Air Force has tested airborne lasers, but they require massive power supplies, advanced cooling, vibration reduction. A fighter jet may eventually mount a defensive laser, but this likely won't be seen on first-generation 6th-gen fighters. Fiction. What's pure hype? 1. 6th-gen jets will be invisible. No aircraft is invisible. Stealth reduces detection range. It doesn't erase it. Modern radar, especially low-frequency radar, can still detect stealth jets, though with less precision. 2. Dogfights are dead. Every generation claims this. Every generation is wrong. Close-range combat is rare, but still happens, and 6th-gen jets will absolutely need high maneuverability, advanced IRST sensors, dogfight-capable weapons. Technology reduces dogfights, not eliminates them. 3. 6th-gen jets will replace the F-35 overnight. The F-35 is still in production until the 2070s. 6th-gen jets will complement, not replace it, for decades. 4. China will build the first 6th-gen fighter. China shows confident animations and bold claims, but its engines and stealth materials lag behind U.S. standards. The U.S. still leads in AI, sensor fusion, stealth coatings, and advanced engines. China may catch up, but hype doesn't equal reality. The US NGAD program, real progress. The Next Generation Air Dominance program is the most advanced globally, featuring optional manned cockpit, drone wingmen, adaptive cycle engines, advanced thermal management, and multispectral stealth. Projected cost? $300 million per jet. This may become the most expensive fighter in human history. Europe's Tempest and FCAS, promising but delayed. Europe is trying to avoid dependence on the US with UK, Italy, Japan partnership and France, Germany, Spain, FCAS. Both feature AI copilots, drone teams, stealth designs, and advanced engines. But political disagreements and industrial conflicts are slowing progress. China's JXX program, mystery and propaganda. China's 6th-gen fighter is rumored to include tailless design, advanced stealth, long-range combat capability, and hypersonic weapons. But with no prototype spotted, most information remains speculative. Russia's 6th-gen claims, fictional at best. Russia's economic challenges and slow progress with the Su-57 make a genuine 6th-gen jet unlikely until the 2040s. Most of Russia's 6th-gen statements are political messaging, not engineering reality. The real timeline. When will 6th-gen arrive? First prototype flights, 2025 to 2030. Initial operational capability, 2035 to 2040. Full deployment, 2040 to 2050. The hype is happening now, but the jets themselves are still years away. Conclusion: the truth behind the myth. 6th-gen fighters are not science fiction, but they are not reality yet either. What we see today is a mixture of early prototypes, promising technologies, political signaling, and plenty of marketing hype. The real next-generation battlefield will be shaped by AI-assisted pilots, drone wingmen, advanced stealth, multispectral sensors, cyber warfare, and multi-domain operations. The nations that master data, AI, and networking, not raw speed, will dominate future air combat. The sixth-generation race is real, but we are only at the beginning.
Everyone is talking about sixth-generation fighter jets as if they already rule the skies. But the shocking truth is this: not a single one actually exists yet. Yet governments are spending billions. Militaries are making bold claims, and defense fans imagine these jets as unbeatable ghost fighters capable of defeating entire air forces alone. So what's real, and what's just marketing smoke and mirrors? Let's break the hype wide open. Introduction. The future of air combat is being rewritten before our eyes. Nations like the United States, China, and Europe are racing to build the first true sixth-generation fighter jets, aircraft that promise stealth beyond detection, AI-driven combat, drone swarms, and hypersonic weapons. But there's a problem. Most of what we know about sixth-gen fighters comes from speculative renders, promotional animations, and political speeches, not actual flight data. This article exposes what's real, what's overhyped, and what's truly coming in the next era of air warfare. What makes a jet sixth generation? Experts generally agree on several key technologies that define a true next-gen fighter. 1. Full-spectrum stealth. Air, land, sea, space detection. Beyond radar stealth, this means IR, acoustic, and even AI detection resistance. 2. AI-powered autonomy. These jets won't just assist pilots, they will make decisions, process data, and coordinate drone fleets. 3. Loyal wingman drone swarms. Sixth-gen fighters will operate with multiple unmanned aircraft, acting as scouts, missile carriers, or decoys. 4. Hypersonic weapons. Speeds above Mach 5, making interception almost impossible. 5. Directed energy weapons, DEWs. Lasers for missile defense or precision strikes. 6. Next-level sensor fusion and battlefield networking. A flying supercomputer connected to satellites, ships, tanks, and drones in real time. 7. Long-range penetration capability. They must survive deep inside enemy air defenses, especially against A2AD systems like China's DF-21 and DF-26. These features sound incredible, but how much is actually real? Reality check. What's true today? 1. No sixth-gen fighter has flown yet. Despite dramatic animations from Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and European manufacturers, no confirmed sixth-generation fighter is operational. The US NGAD program has reportedly flown a technology demonstrator, but it's not the actual production jet. China claims similar progress with its JXX program, but no aircraft has been seen. Europe's FCAS and Tempest programs are years behind. 2. AI-assisted combat is real. Full autonomy is not. AI is already beating human pilots in simulations and DARPA's AlphaDog program. But an aircraft making lethal decisions without a human, that's still fiction, blocked by ethics, laws, and unpredictable battlefield variables. AI will assist, not replace pilots in the near future. 3. Drone wingmen are closer than people realize. This is one area where hype meets reality. The US has the XQ-58 Valkyrie, Australia has the MQ-28 Ghostbat, and Europe is building similar drones. By 2030,
6th-gen fighters will almost certainly fly with unmanned partners, but drone swarms overwhelming enemy defenses? Still mostly theoretical. 4. Hypersonic weapons are real but not ready. Russia, China, and the US have tested hypersonic glide vehicles and missiles. Integrating them onto a stealth fighter platform is extremely challenging due to heat issues, missile size, internal weapon bay limitations, and targeting difficulty. So yes, possible, but not imminent.